Hello there. In this video, I will show you how to write YouTube video content using ChatGPT. Content or script is very important for making informative video. You can create a video before you need to write content or a script, because without content or a script, you cannot never make a good video. Preparing this video script is very difficult. If you want to make a good video, you must first make a good video script, right? We usually take the help of YouTube or Google search before making video script. We have to spend a lot of time for this. Video script can be written very easily and in a short time using ChatGPT. So, ChatGPT can be used to generate video content, including writing script for explainer videos, advertisement, and promotional content, generating captions and subtitles for videos, creating dialogue for animation and gaming videos, automatically generate video description and tag for search optimization, and also writing voiceover script for videos. Now here I type give YouTube title for a video about gaming headsets, right? Now here I generate some YouTube video title about gaming handset, right? And press enter here. So give me here top 5 best gaming headset for immersive gaming experience, right? So give me more 6 title and press enter. So give me a 5 title, right? Like as gaming handset buyer guide, what to look for, the ultimate comparison of gaming headphone, wired vs wireless. So like here I choose this one. Okay, now I need to describe this content, right? So right here YouTube video into about title number, here is number 3, right? Now I put number 3 and enter. So here write a script, which script I want to make YouTube video content, right? So here type, in this video we will be talking a look at the latest gaming handset in the market. So look here, he writes here video script, right? First, while exploring the sound quality of each headset, a good gaming headset should provide clear, crisp audio that's bring your games to life. Well, the testing is handset with a variety of games, including first-person shooters, racing gamers, and role-play games, to see how they perform in different scenarios. And if you need more 100 of words, then here you type write 100 words about number 1. Okay, and press enter. Then he will give you more 100 words this content. So he write, are you in the market for a new gaming handset but don't know where to start? Look no further. In this video, we'll be providing a comprehensive buyer guide to help you make an informed decision. So ChatGPT is a powerful tool for generating high quality video content. Content creator looking to improve their video content and effectively promote their brand. You are looking to write a script for explainer videos, generate caption and subtitle, or create dialogue for animation and gaming videos. ChatGPT has you covered with its innovative approach to video content creation. ChatGPT offers a new and existing way to improve your video content and engage with your audience. You can earn a lots of money by selling video content, or you make a video content for your own YouTube, right? Hopefully, do you understand how to write YouTube video content using ChatGPT? Thanks for watching this video.